Alright, good morning, boys. What's up? Today is Wednesday, August 27th, and today was arguably some of the worst price action I have ever seen in trading. So the bias today was clearly bullish. If we look at the higher time frame, for reference, I did make $312 or 300, basically 300 across 4 accounts. Didn't even get time to execute on my Alpha Capital accounts because I didn't like the way price reacted once I was in the trade. It dumped. If you look here, this is where I entered the long price, immediately dumped. Didn't like that, so I didn't take this trade on Alpha Capital, right? So I only made 300 on 4 tops of accounts because the 5th one I just took a payout from, so I don't want to touch that shit until I get the payout. So 4 accounts, 300, $1,200 day. Honestly, happy with the way I manage my risks in this trade. I'm not happy with the way price moved. If we look at the bias coming to market open, we are rejecting a bullish 4-hour gap. We are rejecting a pull out here, 4-hour breaker block, bullish 4-hour breaker, bullish 4-hour FEG with buy side resting above us. We are also rejecting from a daily. So rejecting from a daily, rejecting from a 4-hour. Nothing bearish about this. I would understand if we swept this high and then push lower because we're still liquidity inside a daily bearish FEG. We're still inside the daily bearish FEG. But we're not even respecting it. We're respecting this bullish FEG, and we're also respecting this bullish FEG coming into market open, right? We also have this hourly order block. Right here, we are respecting all these bullish confluences coming into market open. Hourly order block, hourly FEG, 4-hour fair value gap, everything is bullish. We have a right here, you can see we have a prominent 15-minute high, which is about to get taken out. 15-minute high inside a bearish gap. On top of that, we also have this high and Asian highs. All good draws on liquidity, right? You see on Nasdaq at market open, essentially at my service lows, and we just took the draw out. Nice. Today should have been a very, very clear and clean long to this high. It was a very nice setup. We inversed both bearish gaps in this leg, right? This one, and actually the only bearish gap in this leg. So we got a 1-minute IFEG coming out of a 4-hour gap and a 4-hour breaker block. There is nothing fucking bear, or 1-hour order block here, 4-hour breaker block here. There is nothing bearish about this, right? We are extremely bullish. Market open, dumps on Nasdaq. Okay, maybe you want to take out some sell side. No, let's look at ES. ES made low of day at 929. We never pushed lower than market open on ES. ES was in a stable uptrend the whole day. On days like these, it is better to stay away from the market. When you see the market pushing up on ES and down on Nasdaq like this is just a terrible sign that price action is going to be shit and choppy for the rest of the day. Very unfortunate. I didn't lose. I made like 300 per account because if you look here at 937, look where Nasdaq was right here, 12 points. Look where ES was at 937. This is the equivalent long I took on Nasdaq. These highs are those highs on Nasdaq. It's like the 9 a.m. high. Look at what I'm targeting on Nasdaq. It is the 9 a.m. high. So 9 a.m. high got taken at 937. So at 937, I took my profits on Nasdaq because we made a bearish S&T here. And obviously that played out. That top ticked here. Same thing. Literally top tick, take profit all the way to the downside. I'm a little bit mad just because I've been stacking a lot of winning days recently, and I do want a displacement day. I want a day where I can make a good amount of money because my payouts have been very small recently. My account balances are currently at 2 winning days and I have a balance of $2,200. And I'm not trying to take out another like $7,000 payout. I'd rather take out like a $10,000, $15,000 payout. But yeah, bias today was clearly bullish, rejecting a 4-hour breaker, 1-hour order block, 4-hour fair value gap. However, all of that is invalidated at 10 p.m. At 10 a.m. At 10 a.m. market open, when this 4-hour candle closes, we inverse this. So now every bullish confluence we once had is no longer as valid. We inverse the hourly, inverse the 4-hour, inverse the 4-hour breaker. The only thing we are respecting is this 1-hour order block. So now every long is less probable, but for some fucking reason, that is exactly when longs played out. When longs were less probable is when longs played out. I don't know what the fuck the price was today. Honestly terrible. If we look at the hourly chart though, we did have an unfilled hourly, which is also those 15-minute highs. So let's see any potential trades you could have taken. This 5-minute inverse. This was played out nice. 5-minute inverse obviously stops down here. You should have put take profit here. What else could you have taken? 3-minute IFEG was honestly a nicer play. This 3-minute played out nicer because you realize the drawdown. You could have entered in here with tops like right here. This would have been nice. Could have targeted these 3 internal highs, this internal high, Asian highs, whatever you wanted to target. This 3-minute was nice. That's about it. If there's a 5-minute, you shouldn't be taking a 3-minute. Realistically, the 5-minute was good, but the 3-minute actually happened after the 5-minute, so that the 3-minute was a great trade. 2-minute maybe. I didn't take any of these, by the way. I'm just taking potential entries because I saw someone the other day. I took a trade. And then I went over my trade and then I started going over potential trade setups. And someone in the fucking comments was like, "That's a terrible fucking trade. You're gambling." And I was literally going over the trade saying like, "This is a bad setup. I did not take this." And maybe it's one of you guys watching, like some fucking idiot was like, "You're a gambler, you're a fraud, you don't show executions or anything." If you look at my TikTok and Instagram, I literally post all of my payouts, I post all of my wise receipts, I post every single payout, like every day on my story. You see my payouts, you see my P&L, it's always there, right? Today was the day, $300 day. Go to my Instagram story, I will post it in like 5 minutes when I'm done with this call, alright? But yeah, this is the trade I took today. It was based off a 1-minute IVG coming out of a 1-hour order block, 4-hour breaker, 4-hour fair value gap, targeting this internal high. Took profit to this. That's literally top tick take profit. Shit price action. I really wanted price to push higher, like I really did. Today should have been an easy expansion day to the upside, but price chose to be retarded. But we don't control that. If you guys are interested in joining the free Discord, I will leave a link to that in the bio. If you guys are interested in joining the group mentorship, I literally send my daily bias in every day. I said, "Hey, we're bullish, we're bearish today. These are my draws. Let everyone know about my bias." And then I have calls 3 times a week where I go over your trades and help you become a better trader. If you guys are interested in the free Discord or the vault, I will leave that in the bio for you guys to access. I will see you boys tomorrow. Trade safe and have a nice day. Peace out. Oh shit, but I ended it. Peace out.